I liked the story. I had read it a long, long time ago when it was first translated into English. And then I was a chess addict at once, sort of tribute to chess. It has become necessary to make films in color because black and white stock is very poor. And the moment you use color, the cost goes up, and you have to think of a larger audience because my Bengali films reach a very, very small section of the Indian public. So there you have another reason, a bigger audience, therefore a language which is understood more or less all over India, which is Hindi, which is the language. Well, it's not strictly Hindi, it's Urdu, but I was anxious to work with some professional actors who I knew were very intelligent people, but who were mostly acting in very stupid kind of films, and were unhappy because of that, because they're intelligent people. And I know some of them personally. They've often expressed their wish to work with me. So I thought that, well, this was a good opportunity. And because Lucknow, where the locations were done, has too many anachronistic elements, so we couldn't use sort of wide shots there. And we had to be very, very careful to leave out, to avoid these elements of electric poles and things like that.